What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about HSBC credit cards. Pag-uusapan natin yung lahat ng HSBC credit cards. Iisa-isahin natin because we are going to find out kung ano yung pinakamagandang credit card ni HSBC. Kasi hindi lang siya basta credit card guys, nakukuha kayo ng credit card ni HSBC kasi maganda yung itsura niya, kukuha kayo. Hindi po ganun kasi depende po kung ano yung buhay na meron kayo. Kasi kung mahilig kayo mag-travel, may credit card na maganda pang travel. Kung mahilig kayo mag-shopping, may credit card na maganda pang shopping. Kung mahilig kayo kumain sa mga restaurants, may credit card na maganda pang restaurants kasi nagbibigay or nag-o-offer ng 50% discounts, may cashbacks, nakadepende siya sa offer ni credit card company. Kaya naman, ang gagawin natin is iisa-isahin natin siya para malaman nyo kung ano yung best credit card for you. At the same time, pag-uusapan din natin yung annual fees ng lahat ng credit card ni HSBC. Kasi may isa silang no annual fee for life. At saka yun yung uunahin ko na. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at maraming salamat po. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys yung perks and benefits ng lahat ng credit card ni HSBC. At the same time, pag-uusapan din natin yung welcome gift nila. Kasi si HSBC guys, nahanap ko ay meron siyang 5 credit card. Nandyan si HSBC Live Plus Credit Card, si HSBC Gold Visa Cashback Credit Card, si HSBC Red Mastercard, si HSBC Platinum Visa Rebate Credit Card, at saka itong no annual fee for life na si HSBC Premier Mastercard. So kung paano nga ba magkaroon ng HSBC Premier Mastercard, which is ito yung credit card ni HSBC na no annual fee. So andito yung eligibility niya guys. You must be an HSBC Premier customer in the Philippines. So bago yon, nais ko munang sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung exclusive privileges ni HSBC Premier Mastercard. Enjoy exclusive privileges at home and overseas. Enjoy no annual fee for life. Earn 1 air mile for as low as 25 pesos spend. Free purchase protect insurance coverage. Then, yung eligibility niya guys is you must be an HSBC Premier customer in the Philippines. So, paano nga ba maging HSBC or paano ma-unlock yung HSBC Premier membership? Whether you're new to HSBC or looking to upgrade your existing account, you can have everything HSBC Premier has to offer if you meet one of the following criteria. Option 1, deposit your salary. Deposit an individual monthly income of at least 300,000 pesos gross or its foreign currency equivalent into your HSBC account to qualify and maintain your Premier status. Basta in peso is equivalent to 300,000 kung dollars, euros, ganyan. Basta 300,000 in pesos yung conversion niya. Option 2, your savings and investments. So, ito naman, kung may savings kayo or investments, pwede din ma-unlock yung HSBC Premier. Maintain a total relationship balance or TRB with us of 3 million pesos or more. 3 million yung pinakamababa pataas. Na-maintain nyo yung halaga ng investments nyo or savings, ma-unlock nyo yung HSBC Premier. In that way, mabibigyan kayo ng HSBC Premier Mastercard, which is no annual fee for life. Then next natin pag-uusapan guys is yung HSBC Platinum Visa Rebate Credit Card. Yung annual fee nito guys, so unahin ko na is 5,000 pesos. Enjoy cashback on shopping, travel, insurance, and all other spends. Ibig sabihin, maganda to pang shopping, travel, and insurance, and all other spend. Kasi nandito yung perks and benefits niya. Enjoy 5% cashback on shopping transactions, including online. So kahit online. Earn 5% cashback on essential travel spend. Earn 1% cashback on insurance transactions. Earn 0.50% cashback on all transactions, example, groceries, food deliveries. No minimum spend requirements. Basta nakapag-spend kayo in all categories, automatic may cashbacks kayo. Then yung eligibility niyo guys, an existing locally issued primary credit card owned at least 6 months. Ibig sabihin, ibang bangko, may credit card kayo na ibang bangko, at least 6 months. Pwede kayo mag-apply. Then a minimum income of annual income of 500,000 pesos. So within the year, dapat 500,000 yung earnings nyo. Then next natin pag-uusapan guys is yung HSBC Red Mastercard. Sa HSBC Red Mastercard guys, yung annual fee niya is 2,500 pesos. Yung perks and benefits niya is enjoy rewards on all your online shopping spend. Get 4 times bonus points on online dining, shopping, and overseas spend. Earn 1 bonus point for every 20 pesos spent. Redeem items, GCs, and air miles with your bonus points. Ganun yung perks and benefits niya. Yung eligibility niya is an existing locally issued primary credit card owned for at least 6 months, a minimum annual income of 200,000 pesos if you only have a Philippine Identification ID card and no other valid government IDs. Please apply through this link kung gusto niyo mag-apply. Welcome gift, Free Philippine Airlines Mabuhay Miles. Yun yung welcome gift niya. May welcome gift itong HSBC Red Mastercard. Then next natin pag-uusapan guys is yung HSBC Gold Visa Cashback Credit Card. So yung perks and benefits naman neto is enjoy cashback on dining and all other spend. Earn 5% cashback on dining transactions. Earn 0.2% cashback on all other transactions. No minimum spend requirement. Enjoy 3% rebate on Caltex fuel purchases. Eligibility niya is an existing locally issued primary credit card owned for at least 6 months. A minimum annual income of 200,000 pesos. So, HSBC Gold Visa Cashback Credit Card. The next natin pag-uusapan guys is si HSBC Live Plus Credit Card. Yung annual fee neto guys is 5,000 pesos. Yung perks and benefits niya is live it up with extra cashback. Earn 8% cashback on dining transactions and 2% on fast food. Earn 5% cashback on shopping and entertainment spend. Get 0.2% cashback on all other transactions. Minimum monthly accumulated spend of 10,000 pesos is required to avail of the higher cashback rates 8%, 5%, and 2%. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan yung minimum spend nyo is 10,000 para ma-qualify kayo sa 8%, 5%, and 2%. Yung eligibility niya guys is an existing locally issued primary credit card owned for at least 6 months, a minimum annual income of 200,000 pesos, may welcome gift din siya, Moment Group EGCs worth 6,000 pesos. At saka guys, dagdag ko na rin yung HSBC credit card fees and charges. Nandyan makikita nyo, fees all cards. Yung cash advance fee is 200 pesos for every transaction. Yung minimum amount due, at the same time, yung late payment fee. So, bibigyan ko lang kayo guys ng pahapyaw. Yung late payment fee niya is 1,000 pesos. Then, yung over limit fee niya is 800 pesos. At the same time, yung return check fee is 1,000 pesos for check payments which is returned due to reasons such as but not limited to insufficient funds. Sales and slip retrieval fee, 275 pesos for each sales slip retrieve upon cardholder request. So, yan lang muna sa ngayon guys. Gagawan ko talaga yan ng talagang vlog niya in the next video. So, I think that's all for now guys. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Bye-bye!